In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from product photos. If you sell online or design marketing materials, clean product images with transparent backgrounds make your listings look professional and consistent. The best part is, you can do this in just a few clicks with an automatic tool. First, prepare your product photo and upload it. Choose a clear, well-lit image where the product is centered and sharp. A simple, uncluttered background helps the tool recognize the subject more accurately, but even busy backgrounds can work. Open your preferred background removal tool, this could be a website or an app, and look for the upload or drag and drop area. Most tools accept common formats like JPG and PNG. Select your product image from your device and let it begin uploading. Larger files may take a few extra seconds, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Next, let the background remove automatically. As soon as your photo is uploaded, the tool analyzes the image, detects the subject, and removes the background on its own. You'll typically see a live preview with your product cut out and a transparent checkerboard pattern behind it. This usually takes just a moment. Pay attention to the edges. Handles, straps, fine textures, and soft shadows are common places where precision matters. High contrast photos generally produce cleaner cutouts. If the result looks good in the preview, you're ready for the final step. If not, consider using a higher resolution photo or a shot with more separation between the product and its background next time to help the automatic detection work even better. Finally, download your PNG. Choose PNG because it preserves transparency, giving you a clean cutout you can place on any background, white, colored, or patterned without a visible box around your product. Save the file to a folder you'll remember and consider renaming it with a clear, descriptive label so it's easy to find later. Keeping your original photo is a good idea too, in case you want to create alternate versions. That's all it takes. Upload your product photo, let the tool remove the background automatically, and download the PNG. You now have a crisp, versatile image ready for your online store, social posts, catalogs, or ads. Repeat the same process for the rest of your product lineup to give your brand a cohesive, polished look. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean, professional product photos with almost no effort.